mapagpalang linggo na naman ang nagdaan sa ating buhay. Napakabuti talaga ng Diyos. Punong-puno na naman ng saya ang bawat isa dahil nandito tayo sa ating iglesia. August na, uli nating balikan ang ating mga activity this July. July 17, naganap ang first midterm exam ng ating music school. July 18, nagkaroon tayo ng film showing at maraming kaluluwa ang tumanggap sa ating Panginoon. July 19, nakaloob ng ating Diyos ang ating very own desktop computer. Wala na talagang hihigit pa sa kabutihan at kadakilaan ng ating Panginoon Diyos.
Our morning service starts at 10 a.m. and ends at 12 noon every Sunday. Enjoy God's presence and fellowship with our co-believers. However, we recommend that you attend the 5 p.m. to 7 p.m. service every Sunday. We've got more space for you in the evening service. You're free to move, to dance, and to just express how much you love God as we all together worship Him. For the young people, the youth service is for you, 2:30 p.m. until 4 p.m. every Sunday.
Praise God sa ongoing music school in our church. Meron din po tayong ongoing discipleship with Pastor Robert every Friday at 6 in the evening.
Every Friday, we hold our prayer meeting at 8 p.m. Itaas natin ang Panginoon sama-sama habang tayo'y tapat na nananalangin sa Kanya. It's great to spend more time with our co-believers as we study His Word. So make sure na may cell group ka ng kinabibilangan. We hold our men's and women's joint fellowship every third Sunday of the month after our morning service.
This coming August 3rd, 8 p.m., magaganap ang first ever men's fellowship. Yan po ay gaganapin sa Brother Romy Lim. This August 22nd, the maturity team will be starting in-house Bible school with Pastor Robert Lim. This will be open to all leaders, members, workers of LECFCC. This will be free. Be informed and be equipped. Mission and magnification team presents our first county mission on October 25 to 20, 2010. Pantao, Bicol. I am a proud member of LECFCC. Grab a copy of LECFCC sticker now. Please approach Mr. Yoli Lubigan for more information. Let's invite to attend more people to our services. You can get replies from the membership team. Just approach Mr. Yoli Lubigan for a copy right now.
Do you have requests, suggestions, or anything you want to share? Send it to the lekfckalaocan@yahoo.com. Now you can check the latest updates and listen to the sermons of our pastors anytime you want. Just visit www.thelekfckalaocan.multiply.com. You can also watch our videos, presentations, and news updates. Just log on to www.youtube.com and simply type the LECFC Caloocan in the search engine. Great news! LECFC Caloocan is requesting you to add him in your Facebook account. LECFC Caloocan desires to bond with all of his friends while they're in work, school, internet cafe, coffee shop, and even in their homes. Check it out!